Got Kent here today and John, so we're going to be doing a shag bark hickory removal. This whole tree is going to be coming down. We are going to be SRT climbing up to get in position. My base anchor, I have a running pulling tied off with a half hitch, so that's my base anchor. I got like one wrapped around the tree there too, so climbing with my foot ascender, get up in position, and then we're going to speed line everything over to there. That's our wood chipper over there. Okay, so this is double rope technique. I'm going inline clove hitch to my beaner, and then I'm going to do a Blake's hitch. Inline clove hitch, cinches up to my beaner. I climbed up here SRT. I'm going to do a Blake's hitch. So 1, 2, 3 reps around my thumb, 2 reps above that. This is a Blake's hitch for a moving rope system. Then I'm going to bring that across my bridge here. And then go up through the 3 that I had going over my thumb. So, okay, so here we go. Nice tight Blake's hitch. And then what I'll do is I'll throw a carabiner right in here. So that way I just have some added protection here. I got my Speedline set up. Got a running bowline for my Speedline. This is my climbing line. So tested my climbing line on belting, and I'm gonna go down, start working from the bottom up. Always make sure you check your weight into your climbing system before you put your full weight into it. The one disadvantage to double rope technique is if I want to reroute my line here, I gotta feed the whole thing. But it doesn't really make sense to climb SRT since this is just a single, well, it's a 2-lead tree, but it's mostly single until I get to the top here. So, but I'm a little away from the trunk here, shouldn't have to do any redirects. Ready on Speedline when you are, Kent. Okay, coming down. Okay, same thing on this. right, let it run, okay?